Imagine finding out a bird has a better social network than you. Yeah, that happened to me today. Meet the Vulturine Guinea Fowl. It looks like a dinosaur, a vulture, and a runway model had a very confusing baby. Native to East Africa, this chicken can fly but spends most of its life on the ground. At up to 71 centimeters long, they are the biggest guinea fowl in the world. The crazy part, they have a giant sleepover with over 400 birds gathering in trees at night. These birds have a multi-level society, recognize and interact with many other groups that would normally be found in mammals. So if you're feeling bad about your social life today, just remember, there's a shiny blue dinosaur bird out there absolutely cooking us all.